Hey Patches, today we're learning how to make reindeer truffles. So start by putting some cake into a food processor. You can buy one from Coles or Woolies, or you can bake your own. Blend it until it's a nice smooth crumb. Add in about half a block of melted chocolate and blend it again. Then you want to roll your cake truffle into balls and pop it in the freezer for a bit. This is so that when we're putting our sticks in, they're nice and firm. And more importantly, when we start dipping them into our chocolate, the chocolate doesn't completely melt off and drip off, it starts to set straight away. Once it's fully set, we can start dipping our eyes and our noses into the chocolate and sticking them on. You can see we've got little Rudolph reindeers now. And then we're going to break some pretzels in half and stick them in the top for our antlers. Do this to all of your truffle balls, and then once you're done, you've got some beautiful gifts to give the kids at Christmas time, or you can just devour them while watching a Christmas movie at home. Have fun!